Hello, my dear friends. Today's video is called Decluttering Gone Wrong. And what that is about is when you are decluttering and you end up mumbling in a pile somewhere. And you know that happens. A lot of us think that we can just get in there and do it the old-fashioned way and just bulldoze through it and get it done. Well, that's not reality. And the reason it's not realistic is because you have most of you have children or pets that need your care, a spouse that needs your care. You have meals to make. You have places to go, things to do other than decluttering. Decluttering is part of homemaking and it is important. But when it goes wrong, it goes really wrong. I've had that happen to me as well. When I was younger and I was decluttering and I was just working until I was angry with the whole family. And I didn't want them to get in my way and I didn't want them to breathe on the things that I'd cleaned or straightened. I didn't want them to live really in the house that I was cleaning. And I don't want that to be what's happening to you. So decluttering gone wrong is the opposite of doing the system that I teach you. Decluttering the right way is to get up in the morning that morning and do the other things before you get to decluttering. So get up and do your morning routine. Make your bed, brush your teeth, wash your face, swish and swipe, get your clothes on, make breakfast, empty the dishwasher, all those things we do in the morning, start a load of laundry. Your life must go on. And then when you get ready to declutter, you only do that if you're an at-home homemaker 4 days a week. If you're a payroll homemaker, you're going to do it in 1 hour on, for example, a Saturday, or what would be your Saturday. So it's 4 15-minute units, and you have 1 day of the week that you don't declutter. You take a break from decluttering. You take a break from doing household things. You just do your routines. This is how decluttering is done right. Because when you go for 15 minutes and declutter an area with a plan, and you work diligently, you have fortitude, you get in there and you really work through the clutter areas that you have, then you're going to see some good. And it's going to be in a concentrated area. So for example, the week that I'm making this video for you, we're in the master bedroom. That's our zone, zone 4. That would include your master closet, and if you have one, your master bath. So let's say that you want to start in the hidden places, which is what I always encourage you to do. There may be clutter all over that room, but you start in the hidden places. You start in the drawers and under the bed and in the closet and in the nightstand. That's where you start. So let's say that you started in your closet, for example. Well, the first thing you would see is just this huge Monica closet, right? You open the door and everything falls out and you've got everything and its brother stored in there and it doesn't belong in there. So first determine what belongs in that space and then work toward that vision. So for example, in your master bedroom closet, maybe you've decided you want to keep your extra bedspread on the top, or your extra quilt, or your extra coverlet or whatever on the top shelf. And then you want to keep your off-season clothes in containers on the top shelf. And this is on your side. On your husband's side, the same for him. Any off-season clothes would go on the top shelf. Maybe you want to put his hats on the top shelf, or that maybe you've got 2 shelves. I don't know. You have a plan for what goes up there. And then you go through your clothes. And so you're going to determine if this shirt fits you. Do you like it? Is the color good on you? Is it comfortable? Then it's going to stay. Does it match at least 3 things? I mean, these are some of the things that I use when determining to keep something. Do I like it? Is it comfortable? Will I wear it with at least 3 things? Does it fit well? Is it in good shape? Does it have a stain? Is it thin? Does it have some thin spots? Does it need to go in the garbage? Or is it just not your style? Too small? Too big? That's a giveaway. Anything else you can keep. You love it, you wear it. You know what a joy it is to open your closet and to be able to wear every single item that's hanging in that closet and wear it well and wear it often? That's a wonderful feeling, with shoes that go with it. Not your mucks from the fall or your boots from the winter. We're in the summertime. We're going to have the kinds of shoes we can wear to church, play, and about the house and to the beach. Those are the shoes that are going to be in there. So anything else is, if it doesn't fit you anymore, if it's worn out, if it doesn't fit, you can give it away. If it's worn out, you throw those shoes away. Don't keep them in the closet just because you spent a lot of money on them once. they don't fit you anymore, your feet have grown, you've had children, and it changed your foot size. It happens. Just get rid of those shoes, because you can lament all you want. It's not going to fit and be comfortable. Okay, the same with your clothes. Wear clothes that fit you. If you feel that you are on a losing plan and you're planning on losing weight and you have clothes that fit you the next size or two down and they're fashionable clothes and you can be in them within a year, then put them away. But other than that, give them away. Okay, so this is decluttering the right way. 15 minutes in that closet is not going to get a lot done. But let's say you want to work on that top shelf. The top shelf will be done. And the next day, maybe you can do all your blouses. And the next day, maybe you can do all your skirts and pants. And that's 3 days. On the fourth day, maybe you do all your dresses. You still haven't finished. Your husband's side is still a mess. All the shoes are all over the floor. You're going to get to it. And then the next month, when you come back to this closet, because it's going to be a month before you come back, you're going to still have this maintained area because you're going to clutter stop in there. You're going to go in there and say, oh my gosh, what have I done? No, I have to hang my clothes up. I don't just throw them in here. I have to put my shoes where they go. I don't just sling them in here. This has to be a matter of principle for me, okay? And so you're going to continue to do that. And then you're going to say, oh, I'm back in the closet. Yay. Okay. And you're going to get some more done. And maybe you have to visit that closet. Maybe it's a big walk-in closet, or you have 2 separate closets. Maybe it's going to take 4 months. But you know, how long has your closet been that way? And you're creating a new habit. And the thing that my mentees tell me is that, oh my gosh, we're back in the bedroom again? We're back here again? That month went quick. Yes, it does go quickly. And before you know it, slowly but surely, it will go quickly and your house will be done. And that's what you want. That's decluttering done right. So avoid decluttering done wrong. In other words, going into your closet, taking everything out, dumping it on the bed, going through it, and then your child falls down and you have to leave, and then the cat gets in the middle of it and it's just a big mess and you end up stepping on it on the floor in some cases, instead of taking little bits and doing that little bit and completing that little bit. Because completing the process is so very important. And then putting the giveaway in the back of the car, not by the front door, but in the back of the car. So on your errand day, you take it and give it away. It's a definite system and it's a complete system. So follow this system and you will see results. Have a wonderful day. And always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.